Hey everyone, I just want to quickly show you how to use a scroll to text fragment generator from Supple. So recently with Chrome 80, they launched a feature where you can jump to any section of a document by using a special link. So for this to work, the author does not have to annotate the page with any special formatting. You can just create a link with this specific syntax, and that'll create a page where you can jump into that section. So let's see how to use this. So to start this, you'll put a URL where you want to create the special link in here and click on load website. And when you're on this web page, you highlight the section that you want to highlight basically. So for example, if you want to highlight this section here which says how do I create a Google review link, you'll copy that and paste it into this field over here and click on generate. And you can copy this and open that in a new tab, and you'll see that it will highlight that section on the page. So this is really useful if you want to send someone to a specific part of the document. And one thing to remember with this is that it will always highlight the first instance of that particular word. So for example, if you're trying to highlight business, right? So you would go business and generate. It will highlight the first instance of that word. And so what if you want to highlight this, for example, like you want to highlight enter your business, or like just the word business, but it should kind of, be this particular instance and not that. So what you can do in that instance is you would go in here and you will highlight the word business and you will enter the prefix. So for example, in this case, enter your is the prefix, so you would add that, which is like an option field over here, and you will generate that. And now if you try to open this, you will see that it'll highlight this particular word, which is looking for the word enter your as a prefix, and it'll highlight that. And what if you want to highlight a whole section? For example, you want to highlight all of this, right? So you wouldn't have to copy paste all of this. What you could do instead is you would use like the start and end. So basically you would go to the start text and enter what you want to be highlighted. So the start section of that, and in the end section you would do whatever is the end portion of that. So just make sure you don't have any other prefix or anything like that. In this case you want to highlight start to end, so you'll just use those two fields and click on generate, copy the link, and you can open it up and you will see that it will jump to that section and highlight that particular section which starts with that and ends with that. And if you click on any of these eyes information icon over here, it'll jump to that section and give you some more information about what those individual fields are. One other thing to remember is that maybe not all websites will work when you try to load it up this way, because we're trying to call an iframe and some websites won't allow you to do that. So we have an alternate option for you guys, which is the Bookmarklet. So for this to work, you just need to kind of drag and drop this particular button onto your bookmark bar, and once you do that, to kind of generate the link, you would just highlight the section and click on the Bookmarklet, and it will kind of create the link for you. At times you might have some sort of parameters in that URL, so we'll kind of generate another version of that link as well if that's detected. And if you want some advanced option in here, you can go into this and similarly add the prefix, suffix, or the end text as well. And that's it. Thanks for watching.